Well, welcome back everybody to the second part of my 2022 egg plane group build hosted by Charlie Mack and Dan at Munchkin Modeling Man 72. I'm doing the Hasegawa A-6 Intruder. So we'll pick up here from part 1 and getting the model ready for primer. I decided to go with the box art colors, which allowed me to tape off the top half of the plane to save the light gray and allow me to airbrush the bottom half of the plane in white. Well, the priming turned out pretty good. I got the whole thing done in Vallejo light gray primer. Then I taped it off, as you saw in the pictures, and I painted the bottom half and these and I guess the torpedoes and the bottom half of the plane and the wings and the flaps in Stynylrez white primer. So I'm just going to leave it at that. I'm going to seal it with Future, do a little bit of detail painting, and put the decals on, and then seal it again. Here we are back. We got the detail painting done. I just brush painted some of the details on here. The black trim on the front and this tan piece on the nose and the rockets. Red trim on there. The cockpit. I got a few coats of Future airbrushed on. I just put the best shine I've ever got so far on the model. So now I'm ready to put the decals on. Lots of decals. They're pretty. Some of them are pretty small. Well, I'm back. I've got all the decals on. There was a couple that I missed. When I put the canopy on, I forgot to put on the decal for the dash. This was in a bit of a hurry, so I missed that one. And there was another black decal that went on the front of the nose here, and I didn't see that one until I was putting the decals on, so I painted that part on. Other than that, I got all the other decals on. You can see where I marked out in orange the circles there that and I've done the navy version versus the marine. I went with the navy version and got all the decals on there, and there it is. Quite a few of them. They came out really nice. They went on quite well for the most part, and I really like the shine on this. The Future really went on well. I still have to put one more coating of Future on it to seal it, but it's looking pretty good. There was a decal went on the bottom, as you'll see on here. This rondelle goes on the bottom of the wings, and when I went to put that on, of course, with all the armaments on there, they were in the way. Okay, I'm back. The camera cut out on me. What happened there, I cut the decal in two pieces, and I put one part here and the other part on the other side under the bombs there. It's a little bit off, but it's not going to be too bad. Oh, I mean, like 10 years from now, I'm not going to notice it. But yeah, it came out pretty well. I guess I just get another coat of Future on it to seal everything up, and that'll finish it up. I'll put a couple of pictures at the end and call it done. So thanks guys for putting on the egg plane build again this year, and happy Easter everybody.